In this video, I show you how to use WeTransfer to send large files, images, videos using the WeTransfer service. Let's go here on WeTransfer.com. Once you're on the landing page, I would not start clicking right away here. I would instantly go here and sign up for it. If you don't have an account yet, you will need anyways to log in. Earlier on in the old versions, you just need to upload file and that's it. But nowadays you need to create a login first. So let me just log in. Once you're logged in, you have two options: add folders and add files. If you have your videos and images all in one folder, you can click here, choose the folder and click upload. As easy as that. On the other hand, if you want just to upload a video file or like an image, you can choose the video file or the image, just click open, and you will see here your email address is already now verified. And then I can click the three icons here. I can say send to email or create a link. If I want to create a shareable link that I can share online, that some people can download this is the way to go. If I want to send it to someone else email, I have to choose send email. So as well, I can say request price. This is something new WeTransfer built in. You can connect your Stripe account, make a price, and then people pay to get access to the file. As simple as that. And you can as well set expires in how many days this file will expire. Like on the free version, you can say people who want to download it have 7 days time to download it, and you can as well password protect the file you uploaded. Anyways, let's say you want to send to somebody's email. You just have to put in the email there for the person you want to send it to. Or if you, for example, just want to share a link, you create this and just click link. Let me see what works wrong. Yeah, you see, create link. And then you just have to wait until the file is uploaded. Let me cancel this in this case. So yeah, basically as simple as that. You can as well title it, leave a message, and or send per email. The people will receive an email with that video file they can download. If this video was helpful, leave a like and see you in the next guide.